guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about another attorney that has been charged with fraud charges. If you're new to my channel and you don't know, Jennifer Masado, a well-known attorney at law for the stars for people like Movado, stole $7 million from Movado, and she was charged with fraud charges last year, and it was a whole melee of events. She do up herself in a court. She got her license taken away, and another one has been called up on fraud charges, and it says attorney Anthony Pearson have been arrested and charged by detectives from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch (CTOC) following allegations that he defrauded one of his clients of more than $3 million. And when they're taking these people money, they're not taking a little bit of money, they're taking millions. Assistant Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey, head of CTOC, told Loop News that Pearson allegedly sold property on behalf of his client for $6.5 million and reportedly turned over half of the money to the client but failed to hand over the balance. Following a report by the client, the 64-year-old attorney was arrested and charged with fraudulent conversion and is scheduled to appear in court on February 28. He was granted bail in the sum of $400,000, and for him, $400,000 in bail money is nothing for him. He'll probably make that back in a day if he fraudulently sells another property to somebody. So he will be fine. One thing I realized is that the whole land business in Jamaica is very lucrative. So these attorneys that sell properties and sell land do it, and they do it under fraudulent practices, and sometimes they even go as far as to send people's houses, land, resources off, and people don't even know that their land and their houses are being sold, because some of the time they live overseas. Sometimes they're not in control of what is going on with their land and property, so these attorneys take advantage of that. So if you have a land at Jamaica, if you have a house at Jamaica, please make sure you pay your taxes. Please make sure you go and visit, and you make sure you know everything that's going on with that property or the land, because this is what these attorneys do. They sell off your land and you don't even know that it's sold until you see people start building something on it, or you didn't get the money, or something goes awry. Okay, so comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think that these charges are actually going to stick? Do you think he will pay the people the other $3 million that he owes them? All charges will go away? Do you think that his license needs to be taken away because he actually stole somebody's money? Do you think he needs to be arrested and rot in jail basically? And what are your thoughts on these multiple attorneys in Jamaica being charged with fraud? Okay, comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.